See what those are? Do you see? It's the door handles. You see that one just broke too. Vice grip. Yep. Give me some new door handles. I thought that had a plastic piece in it. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, this one's riveted. I believe this one bolts on. So it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, guys. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't even see the phone. To be honest with you. Oh, there it is. There's two speed nuts that just screw onto them studs. So, got to get them off. One there. One behind the nasty glass. Drill that rivet. And then that handle just comes out. Oil up the latch. And we'll be alright. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Alright, got the handle swapped. Inside, outside, and inside. This is gonna be the test. There's the old junk handle. I just WD-40'd the latch. Oh, I love that. Let's do that again. Bam! Hell yes. Let's try it from the inside. We might have different results. Never know. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh, yeah. God almighty. That's gonna be nice right there, boy. So, door handle swap complete. That old junky handle. Look, it was an upgrade. I'll talk to y'all later.